So you want to follow my adventure? Well, thank you. Well, I really want to support you too. And here is my first step to being the best version of ourselves, live an extraordinary life, and create magical experiences. It is my Patreon. Yes, with the recent release of season 3 of my podcast, I am releasing my very own unlocked Patreon community. Woohoo! It is a tribe of individuals that are all passionate about personal development, bettering ourselves in life, and understanding how to live an extraordinary life. The Unlocked Patreon is a private community where you can receive early access to episodes, bonus content never aired before, receive shout-outs at the end of every episode for your support. You can be a part of my Ask Me Anything sessions where I'll be answering your questions live on air and receive juicy bonus content and have a monthly hangout with me. Oh, and not forgetting, huge discounts off my digital courses at the Unlock School. Woohoo! Or maybe you have a business or an exclusive offer or message that you would love to share to the listeners of this podcast. And by becoming a sponsor of the podcast, you can get your message shared around the world. So why am I doing this? Well, I truly believe and I love this podcast and I love my fans of the Unlock podcast and I want to share my amazing adventure with you all. I want to reward and support my followers with some extra juicy content that will create more engagement, which will then in turn help shape and build the podcast and support others to unlock the best version of themselves. And the really easy thing, it just costs as little as £1. That's it. There are 3 tiers to choose from and it costs just as much as a cup of coffee a month, or 2 if you really want some extra juicy stuff, and that is it. It's not bad at all. So what do you think? Fancy supporting me on this journey for as little as just £1? Well, head over to the link in this description and let's share this adventure together.